What are you doing? Now that looks like cash in the corner there. What's that square one in the corner? 4th of July. There's our fireworks right there. Now we're rolling. Ring of fire, baby.
Teamwork.
Oh, you dusty glove. Well, we got some rain last night. I'm not sure, but I think there's a culvert there that comes out here that's clogged up. There's 2 pipes that come out there. Either that or it's just for the gutters. But this section is obviously a low spot. I'll just add that to the list. Looks kind of pretty, little pond here. All right, this is where we're starting off here on 4th of July weekend. Not that much left to sift through this back corner, basically. All right, here's a kind of a midstream look. We are making progress. That top shelf, I got all the scrap that I'm burning. What's left, I'm saving. Now we're gonna work our way down these shelves, and then we're gonna come up with a plan. So we are making progress. And we got a bonfire going for 4th of July. There's our fireworks right there. Hot dogs, anyone? Okay, so this one, we knocked the wood chunks off from under it. Look at it. We're gonna have to prop it. But this one's totally empty, so it's not, that one had wood on it, and it slides a lot easier with the metal, so we're gonna just try to push this one into this slot here.
I bet I could pull it.
We'll see. I'm sure you could. That's my tough farm girl. Let's see how this is gonna go. I didn't know, huh?
I don't think this one's gonna go as good as that one.
Yeah, you had it.
Whoa! This board needs to go.
Going towards your way.
Oh, wow.
Well.
Teamwork.
Oh, you dusty glove. Wow, look at that. We found the back wall of the, it's not really a barn, but it's a really big garage. So Sharon says I got her for like 1 more hour today in here, that's it, and then she's going in the house.
In the basement?
In the basement. Well, we still got some stuff in the basement for the dumpster, but that shelf just needs to be cleaned. It's all sorted. This is all stuff that I'm keeping. It just needs to be cleaned and organized. I don't know if I showed you guys. Look at this. He's got square nails from way back when. So these are all like nails and screws, and you know, I mean that bin saved me on my last trip so I could spray. So big progress today. Oh, score! Bet you can't do that again.
Bet I can.
Hit this pile right here. Let's see.
Shuffleboard.
So she comes and brings it down the ring. She shoots and she scores.
Yes!
Best out of 3.
I I don't want to show you.
Yeah, so she's gonna go out a winter. What a girl.
All right, so they had a cat feeder inside of a garage that the cat could apparently get in from outside, but then so could the raccoons. So they put razors literally all over it. And so we pulled it out. It was just full of cat hair, mouse turds, hopefully not rat turds, but it's definitely going in the dumpster. Boy, they built it pretty strong. Not strong enough.
All right, so we just cleaned out the cat house. Totally disgusting. And there's a freezer in here. And I said, Joe, I can hear it running, which is scary because we haven't looked in it. So, what do you think is in here?
I thought it was empty from what I remember, but
Okay, well, at least if there is stuff in here and it's running, it's not like it's rotten. Here we go. Ready?
okay. Oh, there's food in it. Oh. Hey, Phil. Phil, we got leftovers for you, buddy.
And film.
And film. Wow. I didn't know they make film anymore.
That's a good way to store it.
Yeah, it used to be in
apparently.
those days. I remember that. Oh, there's Jemima.
We got cornmeal.
This is prepper food right here.
Oh, we got apples. I bet it's from that apple tree because they're really little. Oh, no, those are
onions.
tomatoes.
Oh, tomatoes? Oh, well.
All right. Well, like I said, at least
We gotta look for the package of cash, though. So this stuff,
well, here you look.
I'll look, but you know, we found cash in freezers before.
We have.
Well, on the job I have
Oh. I was
during
gonna
drug
say.
warrants, but yeah,
Hey, you were looking for crackers.
crackers. Yeah, there we go.
Phil, remember we couldn't find crackers at your place the other day?
Mm-hmm.
I'll save these for you. What else can we save for him? Bananas.
Now that looks like cash in the corner there. What's that square one in the corner? Yep, that one right there. Oh man, can you imagine if that was a stack of
That's
hundreds?
crackers.
I know, it looks graham cracker, but man, it looked like cash.
Or it's something illegal.
Told you it looked like cash. I got an eye for cashola.
Oh,
Chocolate
graham crackers. Phil, I'll save these for you too over here.
Nice.
All right, chicken broth.
Oh, are them bananas?
Yeah.
They were bananas. Banana bread.
You can go ahead and make some if you want.
Okay. Oh, all right.
All right, well, I'm going to turn this off.
Here, let me open this. Let go of you. Let go.
Oh,
Look, it's got a little holder.
look at that.
That's custom.
Oh, you know what this means though? It's another thing for me to clean out.
I know.
Hey, you know what? On second thought, let's keep it plugged in while we're in here cleaning, because, oh, that feels good.
I'm sure it does. Nice. My turn. Making progress.
Joe, I found your beach.
Sand?
Or cat litter. Well, you could use it for your beach.
Yeah, I need a little more than that. I need a little more than that,
Here,
babe.
start with that.
Yeah.
That's all we can afford right now.
Yeah. Oh, it feels good. I miss my beach.
Here, take.
I'm gonna miss this pond, that's for sure. There's no doubt. I'm gonna miss it over at the Missouri farm.
You can
Yeah, oh, okay.
yeah.
Thanks, yeah. Oh, we're making progress. Big progress, moving along. The fast way to thaw, defrost the freezer. Yeah, I was gonna grab my my cocktail, my juice. Almost went for that one. Probably wouldn't taste as good, but I'll stick with the Gatorade stuff. All right, check this out. We found the garage. It's actually a barn. Well, I could not have done this without Sharon today. She helped me so much. She's the Energizer Bunny, but check it out. We now have room to park machines, and we got shelf space for tools. I think Sharon went in the house already.
No.
What? Where are you? What are you doing?
I'm chilling. It's still cold in here. It's like 100 degrees out there.
It is. I'm soaked through my second t-shirt.
Yeah, I know. So
I bet you that is nice and cool.
It is. Don't get any ideas about closing it though.
All right. Where was I?
Oh.
She does get hot. Like, yeah, I get sweaty, but she gets like hot. So look at this. Look at all the room we got in here. We found the barn. And I want to show something. If we do have any young folks in here, this is old school right here. I don't know if you could see these strings. There's one string. There's another string. The old timers know what that's for, but it's for like a certain vehicle. When you pull in, you have that touch your windshield, so you know where you want it to be in the garage, and that the garage door will close. So I still got to sort this shelf and clean it, but this is all stuff that I'm saving, from the previous owner. And then I got some of my hunting gear already here, some of my stuff from the barn, from our barn in Illinois over here in them tubs. So finally we can park the machines, even though I have to leave machines there till we sell it, because I got to keep maintaining the pond and the driveway and that for now. But another big success here on July 4th weekend. Thanks, honey.
You're welcome.
She is really cooling off in there. Wow. All right, so once we finally move, I need to get the small Coyote in here. I need to get the excavator in here, that Polaris, the Can-Am, some implements, and then probably Sharon's car, which I think we could do. I think we can squeeze it all in, for however long, a few years maybe, till we can afford something bigger. But at least we found the garage. This is a pretty good sized building. I paced it off. It's roughly like 50 by 45. Might be 50 by 50, but it seemed like it was about 50 by 45. Whether that means 52 by 46 or whatever. But at least we'll have some storage for the equipment that needs to be inside. Very nice. All right, it's our last morning here. We're just gonna top off the dumpster from what's left in the basement, and then we'll have them pick up this dumpster and just keep plugging away. Now we're rolling. Ring of fire, baby.
The ring of fire. The taste
Yes.
of love is sweet. When hearts like ours meet. Yes.
All right, a 20-yarder full. Second dumpster. but we've made a lot of good progress. Just got to compact it a little bit more.